Hello. Today we're going to be looking at my classmate's new channel. She just started it. She's my class president, so we're going to check it out. School life.
Umuwi na si Elle! Umuwi na si Elle! Say hi to our vlog. Sir, vlog namin! Shout out kay Sir RL!
Oh,
Pinakamagaling guro.
it's a Raymar.
Hola! Hello!
Yung mga tumakas sa paglilinis.
I'm glad
Elle,
it's
yun
not
ang hi ka
there.
sa vlog namin. Narirespondo ang galawan! Oh my God! Wow! Wait! Hindi pa pala ako nag-film. Wow! Ano ba yan?
Okay.
Video? Ano? Video. Ayun namin guys, oh.
Oh, man. What happened?
Ganda nung the beautiful!
The beauty of her face was beyond my wildest dreams.
Bakit? Meron na! Saan? Binigay kay DeAndre. Wala! Ano wala? Akin na.
Hey, that's my name. Oh well.
Ano binigay? Sige mo kayo.
Okay, plan to help the writing later. It's a time lapse.
Follow niyo siya sa TikTok. Sobrang ganda niya,
Oh, I know
no?
that
Ang
guy.
dami ng 6K likes. At pumunta na tayo sa Pandayan.
Siya nagturo sa
Kuya, sa Pandayan po.
Okay, they're in the physics.
Dito na kami.
Oh,
first time ko go out with friends. Tapos dito.
Pasok tayo. Yung lunch bag ko. Pakichat mo na si Josh, please. Magagalit yung tatay ko.
oh man, that's crazy.
Hey y'all, nakalimutan ni Ana yung kanyang paunan.
Dito na lang, Tracy.
Nakalimutan niya sa school.
Ano liyan?
We need more decorations.
Ano to?
I want the green one because green is my second favorite.
Wala, gusto ko bumalik dito bukas.
We need more.
Purple, oh.
This is so much editing. Oh, that is so cool. Blue stick. That's what we need.
Still na siya. Anong
Ate ko.
From Pandayan.
This is where we,
Salamat po, kuya. Ikaw na liyan. Aalis.
3 years.
Sa bahay na kami nito.
Oh.
Hi.
Susunod po ako.
Bye bye. Okay, so that's it for this video. You should really check her content out. This is her first video. Check this. Check it out. What are you doing here? Check it out.